Hello everybody, this is Marina with Flex Healing. So I was requested a couple of times to record a video segment about diffusers and humidifier. So I'm here today to present that. It's going to be very short and sweet, so stay tuned. So the first diffuser that I would like to introduce to you, it's called Aria Diffuser. It has a glass cover. It has a see-through glass cover, so you can basically put a water inside with a couple of drops, one or two in this case, of essential oils, and it has a nice and very portable wood kind of base. It comes with remote control, as you can see. So we have around six LED lights that you can actually change, and the best part and the fun part is that you can actually change the music. You can put the music on. Can you hear well? You can also adjust the volume. So if you prefer that, there's 3-4 different themes that you can change on your diffuser. But if not, if you just wanted to have that calming effect during the evening and you just wanted to have the atmosphere of essential and aromatic experiences, you can actually shut off the music. And I actually shut off the whole diffuser right now, which makes a difference, but let me put it back on. Alright, I guess we're gonna leave the music. It's relaxing, it's a part of the video. The second diffuser that I wanted to show you, it's called Desert Mist Diffuser. So this particular diffuser has 11 different lighting options. It covers up to 323 square foot. It's a nice kind of exotic Moroccan style around it. So as you can see, as it changes the color, then also the background becomes much nicer as well. So all of these diffusers are cold diffusion with essential oils. So what I forgot to mention earlier, that this particular one covers a little bit more square footage. This one covers around 430 square footage, and this one covers 323. Then the third diffuser, this is an old version. They actually modified this version recently, but it has a similar feature as a Desert Mist Diffuser. It has 11 changing lights you can change. It can actually act as a lamp too. So this particular diffuser I prefer in my kitchen because of the square footage and also because of that element of kind of Moroccan mysterious style. This particular one, I would love to use it in my bathroom. It's very simple. Again, it covers the same square footage, so 323 square footage. And then we come to the diffuser, which is very, very highly regarded right now. This is called USB diffuser. So a lot of us spend a lot of time doing the computer work. So this one, it's really easy just to plug in, and it can run up to 20 hours, but it's a very different because you can only see like a little mist coming out of it. So that's why you can run up to 20 hours. These one that I presented earlier, this one you can run up to 20 hours, and Desert Mist and a Dewdrop up to 10 hours. And the last one of my favorite ones, I like to have this in my backyard. Why? Because it pretty much resembles the lantern diffuser. It is called lantern diffuser. But I don't know, it just gives me that feeling of having maybe a little bit of citronella, especially for mosquitoes outside. And unfortunately, you cannot do this. I used to do this when I got it, and it doesn't work. So this is just for decoration purposes, so don't do that. It also covers the square footage of 323 square foot. It runs up to 10 hours. So those are the 4 diffusers, actually 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that I have and use in my household that helps me to purify my bathroom, my kitchen. The quality of the air is different, and I use these essential oils, which is going to be a different video about it. So if you're interested to know more, you can reach me at flexhealing@gmail.com. I can give you more information how to actually use this diffuser, where to use it, and how to get them. So that should be all from me. Thank you so much.